and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the packages that I got over the week. We will unbox them all, do some swatches, and I'll share some of the new releases. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. On Friday, but I'm doing one today because I got my BoxyCharm in and I want to share that on Friday's video, so I'm doing my PR unboxing actually early. So we have quite a few packages already to get through, so let's go ahead and jump in. This first one here says it's from Motive Cosmetics. This is cute. It's like a little TV. It says Static, so I'm wondering if this is like the Static collection or something. So I think we have a palette inside. So this is the Static palette right here. It has red packaging, which I don't see red packaging very much, so I always like when brands do the red because I feel like not everyone does red packaging. I don't know why, but I feel like it's very like rare. I've never seen them do like this size of palette before, so I think this is like a new size for them. Really, really cute. So here's the inside again, here's the front of it. And the inside right here, I think that these colors actually look really pretty. We have like some pinks, there's some purples. I really like Moda's formula of shadows. I think they're really nice. I have a bunch of their like individual shadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, pretty, swatch a couple of the shades. So here are a few swatches from the palette. Let me know if you guys want to see this in like a first impressions. That was actually a really cute package there. All right, this next box does not have a name on it, so I'm not sure who this came from. All right, so it looks like this is actually from Sally Hanson, and they send over like these orange boxes, so that's always how I know. I'll go ahead and open it up. So it looks like, it says, gorgeous summer skin is easier than ever thanks to Sally Hanson. Build a flawless shimmer and shine with our new Airbrush Legs Illuminator. Awesome, so we have some new illuminating products. That's actually really cool because I was looking to get one that I can use like throughout the summertime. I really haven't been like self-tanning as much as I normally do. And so I kind of want something that I can just throw on really quickly and kind of wash off afterwards. So this one here is their Airbrush Legs Illuminator. And it says this one here is a nude glow, and then we also have one in golden glow. So I'll have to try on both of these. It says that they have a roll-on applicator, which is really cool. So let's see. So here's what the applicator looks like. That's actually kind of different. I was expecting it to be like a squeeze tube or something. I'm gonna put a little bit out on my hand so we can see. So here's what it looks like. You can tell it just gave like a tiny, tiny bit of shine. I'm sure once it's blended out, it'll look even better. So there it is, kind of blended out. And then also there are some wax strips in here as well. So these are their new Insta Wax strips. So there's just, so there is a thing of them here. It says that they are for face and bikini there. So super cool package from Sally Hanson. Definitely come in handy over the summer, so thank you guys. So this next one here is from Urban Decay, and this is super cute, just like silver packaging. I think it slides out here, it does. And inside of here we have their Perversion Volumizing Mascara. This is a waterproof version. I'm guessing there were supposed to be like two other products in here. Yes, okay, they are in here. I was like confused. So we have the regular Perversion mascara in here. I've loved this one for a long time. I really, really like it. So then also in here, there is the Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. So it says here, our waterproof eye pen got an upgrade. So there is a difference in the tip on this one. And then also the waterproof Perversion mascara is new. So I'll show you guys the eyeliner so you can see the new tip on here. So here's what it looks like. It looks like it's a lot thinner, and it'll be easy to create those wings with. Really cute. I love the packaging on the Perversion stuff. Thank you, Urban Decay. This next package is from BLISS, and it looks like we have some new products to them. It says these are going to be available at Ulta, and it says Ready, Set, Glow. So we got some new glowy products. So I think there are two different ones in here. So we have the X Glow Extension Super Rich Moisturizer, and then we also have the X Glow Extension Radiance Boosting Eye Cream with Vitamin C. Really cute packaging too. It has this right here. It says apply in the AM and skip your normal makeup routine to rock that natural dewy look. So this is something you can just throw on real quick if you're going to be doing like a makeup free day. So here's the packaging again, really cute on there, and then we have the eye cream as well. Definitely have to check these out. I've been doing a lot more days where I'm like just doing like bare face kind of makeup, you know, just some moisturizer. So I'll definitely definitely try these out and see if they do give my skin a little bit of glow. Moving on to the next box. This one says it's from ColourPop. Okay, so first off we have our coupon code as always is just buy Molly if you want to save at ColourPop. But they sent over some of their new stick products. So this is the Moonlight Magnolias Trio. This one has 3 different ones in here. We also have the Call Me Poppy Trio. And then Peony for Your Thoughts. These are cute names right here. So this one inside, let's grab the Peony one. I think that these are like their new cream blushes and highlights. Yes. So we have 3 different ones right here. And I'll go ahead and swatch them. So we have Mini Me, which is going to be a cream blush. I don't always use like cream products, but I'd love to get more into them. And then the highlight is in Yurtha, I think Yurth. And I'll show, ooh, that one is really, really blinding. So there is the highlight. This one here is that blush. And then the third one in the trio is Flamenco, I think, and I'll show you guys a swatch of that one there. So there are the 3 different ones that come in this bundle. Really cute. I'm actually curious to give these a try. I know that it's like something different for ColourPop, which I think is really cool. So let me know if you guys actually ended up getting these at launch, but I think it's definitely something fun and different. This next box is from SKINFIX, and they sent over their Lip Tide Boost Jelly. This is clinically proven to plump, volumize, and provide moisture surge to your skin. So this is a super hydrating serum. So here is what the packaging on this one looks like. If you guys don't know, SKINFIX is now available at Sephora, which is amazing. So for this one, I don't know if I've ever tried this one. I'm trying to think if I have. I'm not sure I have. So this one might be new to them. I'll go ahead and open it up. I love so many of their skincare products, so I'm definitely interested to give this one a try. I have so many other products that are just like, holy grail, my favorites, so I'm really interested to kind of put that into my routine and see if that can become a new favorite for me as well. Moving along, we have a package from Benefit. So these are their Bad Girl Bang. So these are their new Bad Girl Bang blue shade and their long wear eyeliners in here as well. So they came out with the Bad Girl Bang mascara in a blue shade, and then this is the like original one of that. And then they also have some new eyeliners as well. So these look like they are a like gel eyeliner, so you want to put them in the waterline. So this one here is like the normal one. It says they're 24 hours. We have a blue one, a brown one, as well as a purple. I honestly didn't even know they were coming out with these, so this is really cool to test out here from Benefit. I always love when they start like expanding things, you know, expanding ranges, and I do like the Bad Girl Bang mascara. So we have a box here from PURLISSE, and it has watermelons on the front, so I'm assuming it is going to be something to do with watermelon. So it says peel to reveal. So I'll go ahead and peel this. So here's what it says on the top, peel to reveal. I thought that that meant like peel the paper and maybe there'd be something behind it, but there's not. I think that they're just meaning like peel to reveal for the product. So this one is called their Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. It purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms and tightens. It says that it's for all skin types. And of course, this is part of their watermelon line. I really like the moisturizer that they have that's a part of that. So it says apply a thin layer to skin after your cleansing, avoiding eyebrows, mouth, and everything like that. Set and dry. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. And then it says remove, no need to rinse, just gently remove the mask by gently peeling it off. So it says use 2 to 3 times a week. So it is just going to be like a peel off mask. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Really fun from PURLISSE. I love their watermelon stuff, so I'm sure I'm going to like this one as well. This next box actually came over from Luxie, which is a brush company, and I've loved their brushes for so long, so it's kind of fun to get a package from them. So inside of the box, we have this little box with a nice little ribbon here. So go ahead and open this box here, and you can see what we got. So it says, we hope you love your Luxie gifts, and it says these are the face essentials. So we have some face brushes, I think, in here. So up first we have this little mat right here, which I'm guessing is to clean the brushes. I didn't know they had this, so you put it on your hands and then you can actually just clean the brushes. That's actually really cool. So we have that, and then here is the brush set right here. So this is the Face Essential Rose Gold Brush Collection. Here's what it looks like. I adore their contour brushes. I have so many of them from just like different parts or different collections. So we have in here a powder one. There's like a flat one you can use for foundation. This one actually looks like it would be really good for like bronzer. Really nice. I love their packaging too. It's always so just like luxurious, kind of like in the box like this. And then there's a few other goodies in here it looks like as well. So we have this right here, which is the Disney Jasmine. So this is a handcrafted brushes. This is from their Disney and Jasmine like collection they did. So here is that brush right there. Pretty. The handle on this is so nice. It's very soft. And then it came in like this little thing right here, which is super cute. So definitely like a collector's item for sure. And then it looks like there is a bag in here, I think. So a nice bag to put everything in, like a nice big, feels very luxurious, nice little bag right here to throw the brushes in. Very exciting box here from Luxie. Big thank you to them for sending this over. I'll have to try out all these brushes. I already know I'm gonna love them because I adore your brushes already. Okay, and then we have one last box this week, and this one came over from Luminous. So this one is actually the Luminous. So I didn't even know this was coming out, but it says Lion King all over it, and I've seen a few people unbox it now. So this is actually their Lion King collection, which look at this packaging. How fun is that? It kind of has like a bit of a shift in it. And let's see what the card here says about the collection. So it says we are able to share our limited edition cosmetic collection with you, inspired by Disney's The Lion King, collaboration with framed makeup artist Sir John. This unforgettable collection was inspired by upcoming The Lion King and its iconic characters. So let's go ahead and see what the actual collection looks like, but this packaging is so fun. I love this. I've actually never seen The Lion King. You guys are gonna kill me. I know I said I'd never seen Aladdin, and I've never seen The Lion King either. I just need to go on a Disney binge and just watch all the Disney movies that I've never seen because clearly I'm deprived. But here is the inside of the box, really cute again. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the products. Let me know if you want to see like a video on this. If you guys are interested in this collection, that's something you'd be interested to see. So it looks like we have an eyeshadow palette, and then there's also a sculpting palette in here as well. We have some lip products, and then there is a highlight and some lipsticks. So here is the packaging, and this is so pretty. Here's the packaging for the palette. This is the Can't Wait to Be Queen palette. And then here is the inside of that right there. You guys know I want to go for that blue. The green also looks really pretty as well. They feel really nice. So go ahead and just swatch these two shades. Ooh, wow. Those are really pigmented right there for you. And then we have a sculpting palette in here. I'll show you guys that one. It has 6 different like contour shades in here. And again, very luxurious packaging here. We also have the Circle of Life highlight, and then we have some lip products. So I'll show you guys the highlight, and I'll save the lip products in case you guys want to see like a full video on this. I don't want to swatch everything because it will take me forever. So here is the packaging on the highlights, and then here is the highlight itself. Looks really nice. I'll go ahead and swatch it, and then definitely comment down below if you guys want to see me do like a first impressions with everything. It's very golden right there. So let me know. These look really pigmented, really nice. I'm actually kind of excited about this collection, even though I've never seen The Lion King. I still feel like I can still get excited for like cool and different collections. I know a lot of people are doing like the Disney collabs right now, but I feel like it's something, you know, still fun and something fun to review. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see. But after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. Drop a comment down below on what product you guys are most excited about or want to see me do more with. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.